Hey everyone, welcome to EC Sellers Extension Tool, and I'm going to walk through you that how to install, how to use this tool, and how to utilize all the features. So first thing is that once you have signed up for your subscription here on this page and you have subscribed to subscription, you should have received an email, and inside that email you should have received login URL, your email, and your password. So first thing is that you have to just open that page where you need to install this extension, and you will just come to this page, which is EC Sellers Tool, and you just have to add it to your Chrome or like whatever browser you are using, and that's it. Then I would love to add it to pen tools. Now I have that in my pen tools. Next step is you just have to open Walmart, and this is some random uh, product which I have opened. So when you open a product, you will see this left side login page. Now, whatever login email and password you have received from our email, you should add that here. So let's add that quickly. Okay, great. So I have just added that and I'm signed up. Now, if you see, I have in the tool, I can see all the data regarding this product. So you would not find any login page on the extension page or like install page. You will find that inside particular product when you open any product. And now once you're logged in, our extension will save all of your data for all the products which you search. So once you are logged in, you can now start utilizing this tool. So hope this video was helpful. Thank you.